this series of the Garden Gurus, we've opened up the gardener's toolbox with solutions to make sure that all of your favourite plants are in good health. One of the big challenges that we often get asked about is citrus. And there are a lot of issues that can occur with citrus, so we're going to open up the box and solve the problems before they become an issue in your backyard. The types of problems you're likely to see include this: citrus leaf miner. Its larvae hatch from eggs laid in soft new growth, and they'll eat the tissue just under the epidermal layer of the leaf, causing it to twist as it grows. And then there is scale. This is often farmed by ants for a sweet honeydew that the scale offers. And the solution, it's a completely natural one. It's from Yates, Nature's Way. It uses pyrethrum and canola oil to control chewing and sucking insects. So that's citrus scale, aphids, that, of course, the one that causes all the twisting in here, citrus leaf miner, and that dreaded bronze orange bug that can really be better known as the stink bug, because when you come in contact with it, it really stinks. Now, of course, treating this on a regular basis is going to keep your citrus looking fantastic. So this is an important addition in any shed. You should spray once every 5 to 14 days as soon as you see the pests. And within a month, you will have broken the brooding cycle. It also has added seaweed to boost plant health, and it can be used on other fruit trees, veggies, and ornamental plants.